it's a lot different to the McLaren.
Yes.
Totally different.
McLaren is a bit wild.
Yeah.
I was surprised. This one is only twitchy at the back.
Yeah.
But once you corner and then once the arrow works, this actually better.
Oh yeah, the front is solid.
Oh wow.
You point it,
Yeah.
like you can see when you point, it's like going.
Yes.
McLaren's kind of.
Yeah. And the McLaren do minuscule adjustment, right?
Yeah.
This one over here is faster than the McLaren. Even though we feel like we're slower, we're faster.
Yeah, I actually thought it was slower. So, okay.
Start?
Is it on? You camera on?
I'm sorry now.
That's cool. That's cool. But
Whoa.
you actually got so much room there to
Yes.
improve.
Yes.
That's fucking good.
So
That's good.
the more I don't fight the car, the
Yeah.
faster this car is.
Yes. Your back sector there was
Yes.
spotless.
And I didn't go as fast, you know.
No.
I didn't go as fast.
Yeah.
Because I noticed in the race chrono, whenever I go fast, I still have to brake too much there.
Yeah.
And over there, I just tap, 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 and then accelerate again. And as soon as I accelerate, the car just whoop.
Yeah. Once you're on it, it's
Yes.
insane.
So I waited until the arse goes like this, right?
Yeah.
And then once it's go whoop, whoop,
Oh, yes.
that's it.
Yeah, gone.
And then not too much angle, Raf.
Yeah,
The
just a
angle
bit.
probably only this.
Yeah.
Don't go here.
No.
This car will snap.
Yes. Yeah, that last corner again.
Yeah.
That one I've spun out there.
You wait until the very last minute and then you just realize we still have so much room, right?
Right. That's why I'm confused.
Because most people, they turn too early and then they're running out of room. So wait until here. Just wait until the last bit
Last line.
and then you start turning. You have to be able to see the white bunker. White bunker there.
Okay, got it.
Just and then don't look forward, look right. Look where you want to go. Because this car will scare you if you
Goes, yeah.
see forward.
But you missed too, because you didn't go too far out. You
yeah,
stayed in.
here, and then after that here, because I rather do my aggressive move at the lower speed. Over here I just have to commit to one angle, just one angle, and add the speed bit by bit.
Yep.
Just minuscule.
Nice, man.
And over here I brake early. And then come slow and then fast because your car have so much power, right?
Yeah. But this is so confusing. You're hammering here.
Yeah.
And then you start, where are you pointing? You're pointing to that
Yeah.
curve.
See the black line?
Yeah.
Point to that SPBU.
Yep.
SPBU.
Yep.
And then you look at right. You look right, and then you start turning slowly.
Yeah.
You follow the curve.
And
Then after that,
turn
jump.
hard.
Yeah.
Onto
Once
the
you see
green.
the middle of this podium, you jump
Come in.
to the apex.
Sick,
Oh
bro.
my god, man. 146. We're the fastest now.
Bro.
Alwin's not gonna be happy.
144, man. I would tell Alwin, he was talking to me the whole time. He was just like chilling. We didn't even know. We did a 146.